What's up, guys? So today we're going to be installing the Invidia front pipe and mid pipe. We got them right here. They're so nice. Such good quality. There she is. Let me open one up real quick. They just look so good. Just some good pipe. But yeah, guys, so we're gonna start jacking up the car right now. And I do have the Invidia cat back right there. And then these are some more Invidia pieces, mid pipe and front pipe, and then all we just have is headers to do, and then we should be good. All right, we're gonna start jacking up the car now. See you then. Some room to work, boys, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab my tools and get to wrenching. Well, I believe it's 12mm bolts. There's a couple big ones all throughout the top, and it goes around the edge too. And there's little 10mm bolts back here for this plastic part back here, and then you got these pop clips that are gonna pop off, and then this metal piece should come down and you should be able to see the overpipe. Pan out from underneath the car. Exposed a lot more stuff. We're taking off the bolt. It's a 14mm. There's two. These ones were super easy to access, not too stuck or anything. So we're on a roll right now. These ones right here, they've been a pain in the ass, so I'm just gonna cut them off. I don't need them anymore, so I'm just gonna cut those off with the Dremel real quick. Always make sure you're wearing eye protection, kids. That came out of underneath the car. It is pretty ugly looking, if you ask me. Definitely the new exhaust is way better. Alright, so what we just did is we went ahead and put the front pipe on. We're just tightening the bolts right now. I actually want to start the vehicle with this on, just to see how loud it is.
Don't leave it on too long. Sound like a big park here.
Let's see here. Boom, all connected, good to go. We're gonna drop her down off these jack stands.